Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Facebook profile picture without losing likes. Further ado, let's get started. Before we open the Facebook app, make sure that it is up to date. If not, go to your app store in place or check if it is updated. This is to ensure that we will be facing the same user interface, and so you will be guided all throughout. Now let's just head on and click on Facebook right here to open it. And one note that you should be keeping in mind is that this only applies to pictures that were once your profile picture. So let's just click on our profile right here from the menu page. Click on your profile and click on your profile picture right here and then view profile picture. So for example, I'm just going to swipe to the left. And for example, I want to set this particular profile picture again without losing its like. So as you can see, it has 10 legs currently. So just click on the pop-up picture and view it. And as you can see, it did not lose the legs. So again, this only applies to pictures that were once your profile picture. And that is how you can change your Facebook profile picture without losing legs. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.